procedure did you have?
I had a bilateral hip replacement.
Before the hips went bad, what's the highest level of physical activity that you ever did?
I've been a captain in the fire department for years, 29 years on the job.
Which stations were the most intense in your...
In Watts, it's Station 64, 65, 108th Main, Century, and Wilmington. And at the same time, I played tackle football for the fire department. I played my gold medal basketball team. I played my gold medal softball team.
When did you start to notice that you were having trouble with high performance activities?
I moved from the outfield to catcher, so I got a desk job. So getting on and off the fire engine was tough, but I had to get it done because it was getting so unbearable.
If you had a dream outcome and all your pain's gone, your movement comes back, what are the things you would really say I would love to do?
My son plays on the basketball team in high school. Just want to be able to just shoot and shag some balls with them. I got a 12-year-old daughter, and her and her friends like to go to Knott's Berry Farm at Disneyland. The day at Disneyland was out for me. I didn't want to get on one of the scooters. I didn't want to do that, but I'd have to say, meet me here in an hour. Oh, I full plan on sitting in the front seat of the fire engine.
Placement.
Well, I 100% plan on getting back. So that was never crossed my mind otherwise.
You will. I believe you will. We're going to watch you do it. You had 2 joints, and it's what, 2 days after your surgery?
Yes.
What have you experienced just so far?
Well, the joint itself, I don't feel any pain, any like snagging, any tightness. I have tightness in my thighs and my surrounding areas, my buttocks. Other than that, I mean, I swung my legs off the bed and it feels pretty sturdy. Since November 22nd, I haven't looked back. I have no pain in my back, no pain in my hips. I actually got off my narcotics after the first week, and I started taking Tylenol PM, and then a little Tylenol sometime. I haven't even taken that in over a week and a half, 2 weeks. I don't take a sleeping pill anymore because I was having real trouble sleeping with the medication I was on, but I'm kind of just medication free now. I actually ended up losing about 18 pounds since my surgery, which my wife likes. Oh, I'm gonna be able to get a nice, good baseline jump shot, you know. I'm gonna play tennis again. I'm pain free. My back isn't hurting, my hips don't hurt. I can walk up the stairs freely, you know, taking a step at a time. I can put my shoes and socks on now, which I had trouble doing before. I had actually propped my foot up to get my sock up, and it was bad. But now I can lay down and put a sock on. I can actually tie my shoes now. It's just night and day.